Most people only think about their kidneys when something goes wrong. But here's the truth. By the time you notice kidney problems, a lot of damage is already done. And often, it's not some big dramatic event that causes it. It's small, everyday habits slowly wearing your kidneys down. Let's go through the 7 daily mistakes that silently sabotage your kidney health and how to fix them before it's too late. Your kidneys need water to filter waste and flush out toxins. When you're even mildly dehydrated, your blood gets more concentrated, making it harder for your kidneys to do their job. The fix is simple. Drink consistently throughout the day. Don't chug all your water at once, and don't wait until you're thirsty. Aim for clear or light yellow urine as your guide. Sodium makes your kidneys hold onto water, which raises blood pressure. And high blood pressure is one of the biggest causes of kidney damage. The fix? Swap processed foods for fresh ones, season with herbs instead of salt, and check nutrition labels. You'll be surprised how much hidden sodium is in your snacks and sauces. Painkillers like ibuprofen and naproxen can strain your kidneys when used too often. They reduce blood flow to the kidneys, which can cause long-term harm. If you rely on them regularly, talk to your doctor about safer options or lifestyle changes to manage pain. It might seem harmless, but regularly delaying bathroom breaks can cause bacteria to build up, leading to infections that may damage the kidneys. Make it a priority to go when you need to, especially before bed. A high-sugar diet increases your risk of diabetes, which is the leading cause of kidney failure. Processed foods spike blood sugar and inflammation. The fix? Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Your kidneys work on a day-night cycle. Poor sleep disrupts this rhythm, leading to hormonal changes that affect kidney function. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep and keep a consistent bedtime, even on weekends. The biggest kidney killers are uncontrolled blood pressure and blood sugar. Skipping checkups or ignoring these conditions is like playing with fire. Monitor them regularly. Follow your treatment plan and make healthy lifestyle choices to keep them in check. Your kidneys are like silent bodyguards, working 24/7 to keep your blood clean and balanced. But they can only take so much before they start breaking down. The good news? Most kidney problems can be prevented with simple changes like staying hydrated, limiting salt and sugar, using medications wisely, and taking bathroom breaks seriously. Start with one change today. Over time, those small choices will add up to big protection for your kidneys. If this video helped you, hit the like button so more people see it, and share it with someone who could use a kidney health check. Your kidneys work hard for you every day. Give them the same care in return.